Popcorn! Everyone loves popcorn. And today we're going to show you the best way to prepare it so you don't ever have to give it up for your health and healing. Coming up. Hey, howdy folks! Raquel Castillo-Olsey here with Happy Healthy People, helping you go farther and quicker in healing yourself naturally. And on this channel, we do product reviews, health tips, and educational videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of our new informative videos. Let's jump on to the video. I love popcorn, and the thought of having to give it up to help heal my joint pain was depressing. But with a few tweaks, I was able to take it off the 12 bad foods list and enjoy it again without causing inflammation or any other harmful issues. Here are the 3 main things you'll need to make your popcorn healthy at home. Number 1, buy only popcorn with the non-GMO label. The reason popcorn, or corn in general, is on the 12 bad foods list is because it is one of the most genetically modified, genetically engineered food items in the world next to soybeans. That means that they are sprayed with an herbicide called glyphosate, which you know better as Roundup weed killer. Glyphosate is found to cause many types of cancer, and nobody wants cancer. The caveat here is that corn is fine if it's organic or labeled non-GMO. In the general sense, this means that it's pure grown corn that has not been sprayed with any herbicides or pesticides. Most of the commercial popcorn manufacturers are now going non-GMO. 2 brands that come to mind are Jolly Time and Orville Redenbacher. Number 2, Air Pop It. If you look at some of the poppers on the market for the home, or even the large ones you see in movie theaters, amusement parks, and other events, all of those poppers have one thing in common. They all heat oil to pop the popcorn. This is bad for 2 reasons. First, oil of any kind of oil, when exposed to air, becomes oxidized. When you introduce an oxidized substance into the human body, it creates inflammation. Even low levels of inflammation can add up until, boom, something breaks. Second, when oil is heated, it creates a molecule called acrylamide, which is carcinogenic. Try to avoid these and the microwave popcorn if you can, as they are also loaded with oil as well. A good air popper for the home uses no oil and pops just as well as the oil popper and without the mess. Number 3, use real butter for flavoring. Most of the butter flavoring on the market, or popcorn that is pre-buttered, is actually palm oil with a butter flavor added to it. Therefore, it's not butter at all. Margarine is also mostly made of oil as well. Butter is simply cream and salt. So go with the butter. It's loaded with fat-soluble vitamins. It's a good source of omega-3 fatty acids for health, heart, and other fatty acids to prevent weight gain and inflammation. And it just tastes better. I'll put a link in the card above if you haven't seen our video on the difference between butter and margarine. Question of the day. Do you love popcorn, and what do you add to yours? I would love to hear from you in the comments section below. And remember, some of the best tips and recommendations come from you, those in the Happy Healthy People community. So definitely connect with everybody in the comments section. So thanks for checking out this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Until next time, Happy Healthy People is helping you go farther, quicker in healing yourself naturally. Keep moving forward, and we'll talk soon.